This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Robert Castagna. Enjoy your morning coffee in your screened patio overlooking the beautiful lake views in this immaculate, turnkey and fully furnished villa just minutes from downtown Delray Beach. The split floor plan has water views from the primary bedroom and the open kitchen and living areas. The updated kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and upgraded tile flooring. The primary suite features soaring ceilings, dual sinks and a freestanding shower next to your oversized tub. The property even provides linens, bedding and cookware if needed. Just bring your toothbrush and move in. Gated community includes alarm, landscaping, clubhouse, pool/SBA, tennis, playground, billiards and fitness center. Rent includes cable TV, internet and pest control. Hurry to this one. For more information,